Well, you know something's about to go down when there's a muffler on the ground.
We are going to make this literally look stock.
Yup, it's gonna look factory with no muffler. It's just gonna look like it has a new muffler on it. It's gonna clamp up to the factory mounting points and everything.
Yep.
Oh yeah, this is the Saturn. I haven't showcased this yet. Because, as you'll see in an upcoming video, the Subaru blew the head gaskets. And so, I sold the Cobalt, intending to buy a car, and Subaru blew up on the way back from looking at it. I was looking at an 80s Corvette. And so I was like, alright, I guess I'm going to be rebuilding and manual swapping the Subaru. So I bought this thing for $1,600.
And I'm going to be actually MIG welding.
Yeah, borrowed a friend's MIG welder. It was an HHR.
And surprisingly, I can actually weld with a MIG welder.
Lies. You haven't proven anything yet.
Fine.
Plans for this car are headlights, repaint that, lowering springs, and some wheels. And that's it. Just reliable daily driver. It's a 5-speed, of course. So now we're gonna go in the backyard and weld up this, whatever you call it, straight pipe, I guess. Just prepping everything and now doing a test weld here.
Ready?
Yep. Adjusting the settings. Okay.
Snippers.
Yep. And now we continue.
Hey, look at that. A little blobby, but
Neat.
that's because I didn't really clean it that well.
Yeah, this was just to test settings.
Probably just throwing out the wire speed and pack it up.
One more. Yeah. Neat. Look at that.
Not familiar with this. This is actually a friend's.
Yeah, it'll get the job done though.
But
Now we begin on
I've only
doing this
done
thing.
flux core before, so
Yeah, that muffler was definitely falling apart inside.
need to ground.
That would help. Now comes the actual welding. Yeah, you're not going to be able to go out too far, so just as far as you can and still weld it. Nice. And that piece. Yeah, try and make it at least somewhat straight.
Well, that's what I'm doing.
And now we install it on the car. Yes. Neat. And there's what it's gonna look like. Fresh, straight pipe. Our stuff is getting too proper. Look at that. It's literally the right length. Oh my gosh. We're getting too good at this.
So it goes literally like that. So.
Yeah.
I just go.
Yeah, because if you look on the back here, the pipe is all the way at the edge. So it's not where the exit is on there. See? So where you've got that positioned is basically where the pipe is going to be.
Oh, so I just want to basically do it at the very bottom.
Yeah.
So like there.
Well, don't weld it.
But I can just put a tack there.
But we bought clamps for it.
But this would look better.
Okay, let's wait then and... Let's wait. Let's weld up the rest first. And then make sure it's in the right spot before welding it permanently. You're just as bad as Ben. He's like, I don't pick when to, you know, put less weld on so that you can add more later. I just weld it all. Neat. Them some welds.
They're not bad. I'm not familiar with this.
You probably want to do a little bit more on the front one there so that it doesn't move around as much. Like it's doing. That might have been too low for the wire speed. Not the prettiest welds, but they'll get it done. What is smoking out of this?
The coating.
Oh. Nice. That was just a good measure welds to make sure that it's gonna actually not leak.
My welds are They're better than with the flux.
Yeah.
Significantly better. I just need practice.
Roll it over a little bit. There's a section that... I guess not.
No, there's no... There should be no leaks.
Neat. Alright, now you get to clean it up. Floppy disk. Oh yeah, I guess we have to...
Probably like right there.
Probably.
I'll go get like a clamp. That will work.
It's not plugged in, you unplugged it.
You're next to the plug.
Am I?
Yes, you're sitting on it.
Oh. There it is. And then just tack it on and... Oh! It's running away. Then just tack it on in one spot and make sure that's actually where it needs to go. Nice.
Right there.
We're actually doing it properly enough that we're welding on an exhaust tanker. We never do this. It's crooked. Ah! Oh, hot. Right there, now it's straight. Oh, that didn't hold at all. That's on enough anyways. Yeah, this I think is actually stainless.
Oh, it's on.
I mean, is it on? Because all we want to do is... I mean, let's hold it up next to on the car and make sure that it's actually gonna...
Grab your gloves, this is burning me.
Here, glove. Oh, this is not working. There we go. We don't even need the ramps, honestly. Like, it's so high off the ground. Oh my gosh.
That's literally... Oh, it bent.
That's fine.
Yeah, this is perfect.
Nice.
Time to weld this in so that it bends. Carefully. There.
Good enough.
Time to just fill it with welds. One thing I did not learn how to do is just fill in gaps.
You just hold it there until it starts dripping into the pipe. Oh, yeah, back to sitting down.
What?
Is that even holding? Looks like it is. Like I said, the welds are going to be as good as the factory welds. Now you just got to rotate it onto the glove. it's eating away at it.
What?
It's eating away at it.
Yeah.
Neat. I don't think that's ever coming off here. Just in case anyone is concerned, I do have mass. I'm not staring right into it. That's good enough. Oh my gosh. Are you just playing with it?
Yeah, that's not gonna come off.
Yeah. You just piled it on there. It's mostly weld now. Yeah. Nice. Oh, it's hot. I can feel the heat radiating off of it.
Muffler.
Yep.
Wrong.
Now we paint everything except for the end because I want it to look shiny on the end.
I don't think you need to paint it. Shouldn't rust.
That's plenty closed.
Just leave it.
I'm confused. How does this work? Oh, there we go. Okay. All right. That's all buttoned up now. Pipe wrench. Here, you do it. I'm holding the camera.
You do that tape.
Nice.
Get out of here.
Okay. Sounds identical to your Cruze. Literally. Nice. It's not too loud either. It's the most proper we've ever made a straight pipe. Is it leaking?
No leaks.
Hang on, let me... Nice. And that's how to do a straight pipe on a Saturn. That looks factory. That's literally what the factory exhaust looked like. It was all weird and crooked like that.
Yeah, it was like down like that too.
Yeah. Alright. Well, fun things incoming for the Impreza, but this is what we got for now.